Welcome to CloneMyCampaigns, an outstanding profit cloning app which is making us $524.17 per day by activating, delivering, and advertising 11 profit pulling campaigns at the press of a button. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Activate. The first thing you need to do is click on this button right here so you can preview the 11 ready to plug and play profit pulling funnels we have designed specifically for you to make money right away. Pick one of them, name it, and create it. And what I have done here is to create a rebrandable, high converting, and ready to use affiliate profit generating funnel which will let you build your list and make affiliate commissions at the same time. This profit funnel contains a high converting lead generation page, a high-converting bonus page filled with bonuses which will entice buyers to buy not only the front end, but also the OTO offer of the funnel, and the bonus download pages for both the front end offer, which contains the download links for all the bonuses for the front end affiliate buyers, and the OTO offer, which also contains the download links for all the bonuses for the OTO affiliate buyers. You can get inside our easy-to-use page editor and edit anything you want on each page. But that is not necessary because we have made it extremely easy for you. You just need to add your own name here, your photo, your affiliate link, and your opt-in form code, and activate your affiliate profit generating funnel at the press of a button. And you are ready to go. Step 2, deliver. Affiliate buyers will love you even more when you deliver what you promised, and you will scare them away badly if you don't do so. So here in the delivery page, you just need to copy the front-end bonus download page URL, go inside the Warrior+ affiliate offer dashboard you are promoting, and add your front-end download page URL to deliver it to your affiliate buyer. You can do the same with the OTO bonus download page URL. Step 3, advertise. Now your premium affiliate profit pulling funnel is ready to get traffic. And we have also covered your back on this as well. So you don't have to worry about traffic. One of the most profitable digital marketing strategies nowadays is having the ability to know exactly where the people who make profitable actions on your website are coming from, so you can plan to send even more people with the exact same interests and behavior back to your website. And this is something absolutely possible thanks to tracking. We have developed a basic but highly useful tracker here inside CloneMyCampaigns. This tracker will help you control and see in a very simple but effective way where people visiting your website are coming from. And using this tracker is extremely simple as well. You just need to click on this button right here. Select the profit funnel you would like to track. Select the page inside the profit funnel you would like to track, and assign a tracking code which can help you track from where this particular URL will be getting traffic from. And add it. And there you have it. Your traffic URL is ready to get traffic. And the solution we have provided to you as well is right here. And it's called Social Poster. Guys, this tool right here is terrific. Awesome. The CloneMyCampaigns Social Poster will let you integrate, post, and even schedule the posting to up to 9 different traffic sources such as Facebook pages, Facebook groups, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, WordPress.com, and WordPress self-hosted websites, and even to all of them at the same time. This thing is just terrific, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's lots more awesome stuff inside CloneMyCampaigns, but I can't show them all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training which will show you how to make money with CloneMyCampaigns the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to use an outstanding profit cloning app which is making us $524.17 per day by activating, delivering, and advertising 11 profit pulling campaigns at the press of a button, then try CloneMyCampaigns today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.